BMW officially unveiled the new 2013 crossover X2, in preparation for its arrival in the market early next year. Based on the X1, the X2 is shorter and has a closer body to the ground, and has a unique sporty design that makes it look like a big hatchback instead of a crossover. On the external side, the crossover has a kidney network known as the BMW, with the distinction of being wide from the bottom compared to the top, and it is surrounded by large ventilation openings, lamps, and slender LED daytime lighting. Its front glass is elegantly sloped and its roof descends smoothly to the rear wing at the top of the ceiling. The designers also add sport lines to the sides of the car and new LED backlights. The X2 is available in several different types of wheels ranging from 17 to 20 inches and two types of rear shock absorbers, one with black plastic and the other with gray sporty appearance. There are several types of mattresses and decorations. The leather is used according to the model version. 6.5 inches or 8.8 inches, indoor LED lighting. Package, vertical display, and panoramic sunroof. When the BMW X2 2018 is launched on the international market, two double-turbo diesel engines will be available with a 4-cylinder power of 228 HP and 349 Nm of torque, resulting in acceleration from 0 to 96.5 km in 6.3 seconds with a maximum speed of 230 km. Twin turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder power, 192 horsepower and 280 Nm of torque, connected to a 7-speed automatic double-handle torque that allows the crossover to fly from 0 to 100 km in 7.7 seconds with a top speed of 277 km. For the diesel engines, there will be a double-turbo 190 and 200